So I really enjoyed the workshop. I enjoyed becoming part of the RMS team, having them coach us. A lot of great things that I took away from this is standard operating procedures, just really getting back to revamping our business and what we can do, and knowing that we have RMS behind us to answer any questions and really be there for support is worth every cent.
KJ Raja with Texas Water Doctor. I met Greg Sargent a week ago, and I came to this workshop because I wasn't sure if a water restoration business was right for me to start with. So I took a leap of faith and came here to Salt Lake City, Utah to join the workshop. I met several subject matter experts and owners in the water restoration business, and everybody was very supportive and empowered me. And the biggest takeaway that I got from this workshop was you just got to do it. You just got to dive right in and do it. And so that's why I am excited to join RMS in my water restoration journey.
I came to the owner's workshop to definitely gain some more knowledge in the industry. RMS has been really great at giving me that knowledge. It was very helpful to meet a lot of other owners in the industry and hear all their insights, some of the strategies they're using and things that are working for them and things that aren't working for them. And I would definitely recommend that anyone in the industry that's looking to grow their business or improve their self as a business, come to the workshops. They're really good, and I highly recommend them.
And I'm here with RMS. We came to the convention, and we also came to RMS to learn more about our business, what we can do, what they could help us out with our future. And we have been overwhelmed with a lot of information and great information for our future of our business. We've also learned to work together with different groups from other states and to help each other out to progress and learn different avenues, from leadership to sales to marketing and safety, all stuff that we need for our businesses to move ahead.
We try to choose the trainings that we think most people are struggling with and really cater it to the majority of the